Hello everyone, welcome back and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video I'm going to show you 3 simple steps that are going to help you to fixing your iPhone if it doesn't charge. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first thing that we have to make sure that we are not using damaged cable or charger. Try using different cable and charger if it doesn't charge with the new cable as well. Then maybe it's hardware issue. Solution number 2. Force restart your iPhone. To force restart iPhone, quickly press and release volume up button, quickly press and release volume down button, then press side button until Apple logo appears. And if you're using old iPhone, then press home button and the power button at the same time until Apple logo appears. Solution number 3. Check the latest version of iOS. To check that, first launch Settings, connect to Wi-Fi and tap General and tap Software Update and update your iPhone if update is available. Solution number 4. You are going to need a toothpick to clean the charging port very gently. For that, take the toothpick, power off your iPhone and clean the charging port very gently because sometimes it happen it's covered with dust and not charged properly. But do it very gently, don't very hard. That's it. Hopefully friends you found this video helpful. So please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.